Good day everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up trust relationship with the machines and also a roaming profile. One thing I'd like to mention was that I did this video earlier, and when I was finished with it I realized that my microphone was on mute, so now I have to do over the bit again. So just need to point out that these settings have already been put in place, so I'm just doing a recap of what I did, so just follow along. So first we need to set up a trust relationship. So using my Windows 2008, which is my server and also my domain controller, go to start, go to administrative tools, go into Active Directory users and computers. Make sure you select the plus box next to your domain. Right, go to computers. See, these are the machines within my domain. Right click on anyone, go to properties, go to delegation, and make sure you have chosen trust this computer for delegation to any service, Kerberos only. Click OK. Let me just make sure that all of your machines are set like that. Right, now to Windows XP. Right, now that's done. Now you need to go into C drive, my computer, go to local disk. You need to create a folder called profile, which I've done here. Right click on profile, go to properties, please go to sharing. You will hit share. Oh, I did that already, so I won't show that so quick. When you finish sharing, the network part here you'll need to use later on. So just to save time, copy it. Right, and go to advanced sharing. Advanced sharing, go on permissions. I had to add. When I click on add, you should see, no, wrong thing, but somewhere you'll have to put in, you'll see a drop down box, you'll select everyone and add, and just allow full control. Click OK. OK. So close that. Now what you need to do now is create some users. So close that. Go back into administrative tools. Go to Active Directory users and computers. Select this here, make sure this comes up. Normally you would right click, go to new, go to user, and you will create your template. Let's show you an example of how it looks like. So John Snow, login name could be J Snow. You'll click next. Well, I already have it, so let's create a new one. Rob Stock. Change the login name to R Stock. Click next. You will assign a password for him, and you will choose password never expires. Well, in this tutorial only I'll use password never expires. If you are setting up this within like a school, you would go on user must change password at next login. So once you have entered up your password, you click next, and I won't go into that, but what comes up after you'll just see another dialog box. It will show username with the full name. You'll see their login name, and you'll see some mark. If you have chosen password never expires, that will be the last thing that will be shown. So once you have clicked finish, this is the template here that comes up. Go when it's done, right click on the template one, go to properties. So you go to profile, and remember the profile part you have copied before, just paste it here, and after the word profile, right, just after profile you put backslash and percent username percent backslash, and when you click apply, it will change to the template name, as you can see JS now. So click OK, and now after that if you want to create a genuine user, go back on the template John, which is Johnson. For me, go to copy, create it, create any name you want to create. It could be your name, put your last name, give it a login name. The same will apply on the next dialog box. It will see the password. You can enter a password, you could choose password never expires, they give you that option, and after that it will just show the same thing like what was shown for the template. And when that is done, this was the one that I have created, my own. You'll see here. And oh yeah, when yours is finished, you right click on it, go to properties, come to profile. I believe you might see the template name here. I'm not sure, but just put in after the profile, put a backslash, percent username percent backslash, click apply, and whatever login name you have chosen, it should appear here. So just click. I'll just see my mouse. My mouse seems to be frozen. Yeah, my mouse is frozen. Alright, so sorry about that. My mouse was frozen. So yeah, once that has been done, since my user account I've created, I can exit that. If I log into another machine, let's say Windows 7, you could go to switch user, or I guess, alright, type in the login name that you have created. And for me, it'll be Cake Hooker, and also the password you have given it. Alright, so while that is set up, start. It was, which one was it? It was computer, local disk, profile. Well, as I said, I did it before, so this was the profile that came up when I logged in the first time. So right, so now that you see it is up. If you want to make sure that it's working, I'll just sign in with the template I created, which was J Snow. Switch user. I'm going to use mines because right, Windows 7 has been logged off. Alright, I'll create a new folder. Name it Let's leave it as high, right? Log off. Sign to Windows 7. As you can see, oh, and as you can see, the folder has been transferred from Windows Vista, which I have logged into, onto Windows 7. Right, so now that's done. Today I've showed you how to set up trust relationship and also create a roaming profile. In my next video I'll show you how to create a home folder. So I'd like to thank you all for watching, and goodbye.